Okay, today let's have a look at why these pad clamps slip. On some of mine, they do slip, and I've heard other people talk about it and wondered what's the difference between some clamps do, some don't. I started to investigate and found this. Look at the inside of that clamp. It's pretty obvious it's been severely used. It's had some really bad days. Okay, so all you need to do is take some magic goo, clean up the inside of this, and you can have it looking like this in about 1.5 minutes. 2 minutes if you really milk it. And I'm serious, it's super easy to do. The reason why these things are slipping for you guys is they have lost their ability to be like a tennis shoe against your hair. It's just smooth, completely smooth. This one now is right back to, it's unbelievable how sticky it is again. And all I did is just cleaned it up. That's it. And it's back to nice again. So here's another way to do it. If yours are so bad that they can't be cleaned up and they still continue to slip afterward, one thing you can do is take some two-phase tape, put on a piece of 220, maybe 320, and that added thickness will keep this from coming off. Along with the fact that if you clean it, it gets so sticky. And when you clean them, try to pay attention to the inside of here too, where the left and right side of this bottom or top meets. Then again, another thing you can do is degloss the actual clamp itself. These things come out of the mold fairly shiny. I simply took a piece of 220 and I moved the grain only this way so that it would be tougher the other way, so it would be tougher for it to slide off. Just cross grain it. Okay? And that worked fairly well too, by the way. Was it perfect? No. But cleaning them was the trick. Right away, things immediately held like they didn't in a long time. And it's because of all the dust in your shop and everything that's in your shop and all the dirt that it's gained over the years. These things are sticky. So they grab it and hold it and make everything now shiny smooth. And all we have to do is add some alcohol. A little bit of alcohol, literally. I will show this in real time just to show you how well it works. You put a little alcohol in here. And what I did first is I went at it with a screwdriver so I could get into these corners real gently with a screwdriver just to abrade it and use it as a finger, if you will. But look at how fast that works. It's incredible, the difference. And now, as I was alluding to, it's nice and, how do I say, sticky. And it's that sticky edge that makes everything work. Now, I didn't get inside there because I didn't have a chance to yet, but this fast, the whole thing's done. And if I would have done a screwdriver or something to the inside, it would have really helped quicker. And, you really don't have to do these edges, certainly, but it's just here to show you how well this works and how fast it is. It's amazing what alcohol does. And now you have that nice, sticky surface back. You guys let me know what you think. Take care.